Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Range Rover Sport. So as of right now, my front end, particularly the lettering on the hood, looks really ugly. So if you guys are looking for a quick, inexpensive remedy for this fading, or if you guys are just looking to mod your Range Rover and give it a little nicer appeal, then the best way to go is to black it out, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to do it today. You're going to need some alcohol wipes, or you could use the alcohol in the bottle as well as some Plasti Dip. So first what we're going to do is grab some wipes and just wipe the lettering. Now I'm going to cover the surface around the lettering. Everything is now ready. I'm going to reshake up the can. I'm going to start off with my first coat, and a tip for the first coat is make sure you do a very thin and light coat. So just start off with a very thin layer. Just like that. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and then hit it with the second coat. Second coat. And I'm done with the second coat, and what I'm doing here is by every coat that I'm doing, I'm going thicker and thicker. So the second coat is thicker than the first one, and now I'm going to do the third coat and then the fourth coat. They're going to be thicker than the previous one, and I'm going to do about 4 or maybe 5 coats on this. I'm going in for the third coat. Time for the fourth coat, and now what I'm going to do is hit it at angles just to make sure that I get it all the way around, and make sure you keep about a 6 to 8 inch distance while you're doing this. And that's it. Now I'm going to let it sit for about an hour, make sure it completely dries up, and then I'll remove all that newspaper. Now here's the delicate part. You're going to get a blade and slowly and gently basically make an incision around the lettering, because when we're going to pull the Plasti Dip, it's going to stop right there and not peel the Plasti Dip off the letter. So let me bring it close up and show you guys what I mean. So as you guys are seeing right here, I'm going to just cut around, and again, very gently. We're doing this so the Plasti Dip doesn't peel off the letter itself. So just like that. And then we're going to start peeling. And you're going to do the same thing with all the other letters. If you're having a hard time removing this, you could always use a little tweezer. To keep it real with you guys, the peeling process with Plasti Dip is a little tedious and very time consuming, but just be patient with it and take your time, and I promise you guys are going to love the end result, and it's going to be worth it. And here it is. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick fix and a quick upgrade for your Range Rover Sport. And like always, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit that like button. And if you guys want to see more how-to and DIY videos on my vehicles, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.